Hi guys, and welcome to Storytime Shorts with the Rapid City Public Library. My name is Allie, and today we're going to be reading a book about one of my favorite memories. I remember when I was growing up and I would go over to my grandma's house and we would bake cookies and breads and all sorts of yummy, delicious treats all day. So today we're going to read a book just about that, Baking Day at Grandma's, written by Annika Denise. I'd like to thank Penguin Random House for allowing us to read this book today. Baking Day at Grandma's, illustrated by Christopher Denise and written by Annika Denise. It's baking day, it's baking day, it's baking day at Grandma's. Bundle up, it's time to go out across the drifts of snow. Past the pond, so smooth and clear, little cottage drawing near. Is that Grandma's cottage, do you think? Knock, knock, knock on Grandma's door. Hear her pad across the floor. Plant a kiss on Grandma's nose. Cozy fire, warming toes. It's baking day, it's baking day, it's baking day at Grandma's. Pass out aprons, 1, 2, 3. Grandma reads the recipe. Flour, sugar, butter, eggs. Stand on chairs with tippy legs. Wooden spoon and measuring cup, mix the batter, stir it up. Fold it gently in the pan, lick the spoon because we can. It's baking day, it's baking day, it's baking day at Grandma's. What do you suppose they're baking? I wonder. Let's find out. Hop down from the tippy chair. Smell the sweetness in the air. One hot cocoa at each place. Frosty windows, smiley face. Old-time music, soft and sweet. Skippy notes and tapping feet. Learning songs that Grandma sings when the kitchen timer rings. It's ready. It's baking day, it's baking day, it's baking day at Grandma's. Flip the pan and out it pops. Cut in squares and frost the tops. Add some sprinkles, wrap each one. Tie a ribbon, nearly done. Tasty treats in pretty bags, each one marked with little tags. Coats and boots and hats and gloves, the hugs we know that Grandma loves. It's baking day, it's baking day, it's baking day at Grandma's. Walking home under the moon, back to visit Grandma soon. Bye, Grandma. The end. Oh, and look what we have at the back of the book. We have Grandma Rosie's chocolate cake recipe. That must have been what they were cooking in the book. Yummy! If you check this book out, maybe you can make chocolate cake with your grandma. Well, my friends, thanks for joining me today. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with all of our latest crafts and story times, and I hope to see you next time for our next Storytime Shorts with the Rapid City Public Library. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.